coming from Pampanga. Talagang humihead sila, ready sila humelp doon sa poste.
And from defense to all over the past few weeks.
Right.
And another stop for the Hustle Rising Suns. Jonathan. Oh, what a block by VJ! Good sportsmanship right there from VJ Pre. Tinayo niya ito si Jonathan Manalili after crashing down hard.
Oh, that's normal, no? Na talagang yan yung yan yung kailangan nating tignan pag finals na talaga eh.
Yan ang ating lakas block of the quarter brought to you by 0107 Management Group Incorporated. Konting stare down tapos
Tapos ang
tutulungan kita.
atagan. Yun yung maganda. After ng yabang mo, balik ka sa pagiging mabait. Ganun lang.
Advantage is the biggest factor. He has to being a key player for his team. That's why he really has to capitalize on that for this game. Now back to you, Enzo and Coach.
Thank you so much, MJS VJ Press. If you thought the first half was entertaining, emotional, and physical, mas aangat yan by 10 dito as the reigning MVP misses. Put back, wala. Third serving is finally a charm para dito sa ating reigning MVP. Miranda with a floater in the middle. Can that get Dwayne going as VJ big steps to the basket, puts it up and in, plus a foul. And look at that. Engka, sabi dito ni VJ Pre kay Pablo.
The confidence is there, no? Talagang pinag-uusap. Sabi mo pa lang kanina eh.
And look at that, ang ating lakas drive of the quarter brought to you by CDO Food Spear, food that brings you home from the newly crowned 19 under MVP Francis VJ Pre.
Titan dito dahil unang-una, ang taas ng lamang na itong Pampanga Delta. Good move.
Grabe naman yung galaw na yun galing sa ating MVP. And look at the smile by VJ afterwards.
And you can clearly see the influence of Kevin Kiambao.
Yes.
Diba? Na talagang ang standard na ng big man ngayon, someone who can drive, someone who can dribble, and we can clearly see yan. Diba?
Grabe. What a pass, and look at that. Bask in the glory. Mr. MVP. Back-to-back baskets. Nung game, I think 3, di ba? As the MVP with the
Good
block on
stop.
Manalili. Kumbaga ripple effect na Coach.
Yes,
Ernest,
ripple
sunod-sunod
effect, butterfly effect.
Oo. As the MVP knocks down a big free throw.
Yeah, I can't move on, Enzo. No, bad decision talaga coming from Basti. Sayang.
And 2 out of 2 para dito kay Francis VJ Pre. Table to inbound. Asido pops out. Amiel. They're trapping Amiel on the sidelines. Dangerous pass. VJ with the 2 points. How fitting is it that the MVP finishes it off?
Right.